So we're actually in really decent shape. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of rent coming in already. HOA, can I go back to sharing screen real quick?
Yeah, you still are. Yep.
Because we're almost done. So I'm going to just ratchet this up to 350 just in case. I'm just going to give us a little bit of edge on this one. So I think we're in good shape. This is the only real question we have at this point. And that I do not have this $12,000 bond anywhere. So I'm going to just add another point over here for miscellaneous, right? And that'll give us that edge. Yep.
Make sure to erase it from below in red. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that is where we are right now. Can you just verify that this is our principal balance on this is all? I don't think this is accurate at all at this point. How much?
Yeah, the interest rate is wrong and the principal is wrong. So we owe 1,100,000 exactly.
So that's good enough. What's the interest rate?
I think it's 7.
Okay. Do we have any investors that just took interest? I don't think we do on this one.
No, they all got the same.
Okay. What was our total raise?
Let me see where to find that one.
Dale, are you still on the line?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Your answer real quick. We assumed return of capital in 15 months, absorption in about 12.
Okay.
So starting in the 7th month, which is where we are right now, we should be selling units.
Okay, so we're a little behind.
We are behind.
So realistically, this is September. I don't know how many people Alex would have a feeling on might purchase that live there now. 50%, 1 or 2, I don't know. But we'd probably be looking at the winter coming up, right? Of course, again, if some of the people buy, it doesn't matter. It's not like we're looking for new buyers, so it might not be as bad. But we're probably looking at spring to be done, huh?
Yeah, I would like to.
Yeah, so when we submit the packet to the state, we have a few months for them to get back. I think it's like 3-4 months for them to get back to us. So by then we're in like New Year's, and then we have the 60-day eviction period, and we're selling right in the heart of spring, which truth is isn't so bad, right? Like
No,
right in the heart of spring. The only thing is we just hope the economy doesn't crumble between now and then.
Right.
With all this madness, right? But that's really out of our control. We
So
got
really, May 31st is really possible that we might not be closed until then with everything. So
that's when we start selling.
that's when we would start selling. So really, we're talking about selling in June, July, August, really summer, really almost a year from now.
I don't think that much. I think, again, if we get approval for the condo in January,
Right.
then we get 2 months to get people out, and we can start marketing at that point.
Oh, then we're really talking like April 1st.
Yeah, like right in the middle of the spring
Okay,
season.
so April, May, June. So we could be done by the end of June if we moved all of them in 90 days.
Could be, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's some adjustments to make, John, then on that a little bit.
Okay. All right. So I just elongated this out to 15 months and 15 months. Yeah, we're definitely behind schedule on selling units at this point.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, okay. So your real answer, Dale, is, and are we splitting 60-40? I thought we went 50-50 on this one.
No, it was 60-40. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. So 133 equity multiple.
To the investors?
Yep. That's not terrible. Okay.
No, it's not. It's pretty good.
And our raise should be 908. So
And
how
then
much?
what we actually raised was 605
605.
plus,
That's a big difference.
plus the 50,000 that we just got, right? So that's big. So what is that? 655.
But we don't need 900 now? Is that what we're saying, John?
No, that's what we need. So let me move this out. Pro forma. Normally, we're broke by this time. Normally, we have no income coming in, right? This is residential income, right? So we're actually in really decent shape. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of rent coming in already. And we're going to probably have another full $13,000 a month of rent coming in for another 6 months or 5 months or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we're in surprisingly better shape. Usually we are zeros across the board.
Yeah, that'd be really bad.
Everybody's out, you know?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't think we're going to need the 900.
What does the math tell you we do need, I guess would be the question.
I would still, so how much do we have in the account right now?
Okay, so in this first bank, which is the 301 Lynn, we're not keeping a huge balance. Right now, there's $3,000. That's after having paid some of the stuff for the insurance and paying the mortgage at the end of last month. So that this account is essentially cash flow positive, but I don't keep a lot of money in here because
That's fine. That's
Because-
the property management account.
yeah,
Got that.
so that one's just that. So we had accumulated a good amount. I paid for some of the architect fees. I paid for like $7,000 in architect fees out of this money.
Wait. Out of the property management account or the.
Just because the architect is just old fashioned. They don't take electronic payments. So he needed an actual check. So this account is the only one that I have a checkbook for. So it was just antiquated. So, okay, I send him a check in the mail.
Okay, but what you did is screw up our accounting.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but it's in there. I mean, again,
Put your hand out.
Oh, so does that give us another 5% then? So now we're at 55, 45?
But yeah, you just screwed up our accounting. So you officially commingled funds. Like, we're making light of this, but that's a bad thing.
oh, okay.
Yeah, make sure you pay the right funds with the right account. Property management is just strictly property management. Everything else is. So how much do we have in the big account?
Okay, let's log in and see. That one is easier to get into from here. $196,000 and 196,982.
196. So 200 grand.
Yes.
Great. We're fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dale, if you could get your buddy in for 50 or 100, that'd be awesome.